Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Keisha. Feel free to go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and also turn on that little notification bell so you're not missing any of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a few ways how you can dress up your slip dress and also how you can dress them down. If you're interested, just keep watching. So when I think about dressing up a slip dress, this is definitely one option that comes to mind. Nice little clutch, some pearls of course, and a nice pair of heels.
It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching.
Now you can get a slip dress pretty much anywhere. This one is from Zara. I don't think they have it anymore. I bought it when they had their sale. So to go ahead and dress this down, I'm just gonna grab my white button-up shirt. This is from H&M. It's in a size 2X large. So I wanted a really oversized shirt that I can play with and just do a lot of tie-ups and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead, put it on, fold up the sleeves, tie this up, and we're just gonna give it a regular knot. We're going to lose the pearl, and we're also going to lose these shoes. And then we're just gonna go from some white sneakers. These are my Fila sneakers. Just by adding an oversized shirt and some sneakers, we just took this slip dress all the way down. And then for bag, I'll of course reach for my dumpling bag. I've been styling it with so many outfits. Slip dress is so versatile, you can just do so many things with it. So definitely let me know in the comments, guys, which do you prefer? You prefer this dress dressed up, or do you prefer it dressed down? Me personally, I think I'm kind of liking the dress down look more so than the dressed up. I don't know what it is. I guess it's because it's just so casual and I'm more like a casual girl, but I still want to look nice at the same time. Like I haven't really tried, but I did. Okay guys, so this is another slip dress. I just went ahead, put an oversized t-shirt on the inside, and then I use this also oversized necklace to just bring out a more rocker vibe. Fold up the sleeve and let it have that kind of bunchy fold on the sleeve. I think that just brings another layer to the look. Then I just went ahead and pair it with my red pumps, because you know I love to do black and white and red. Because it's an oversized t-shirt on the inside, like the t-shirt is all the way here, it's like a dress pretty much, it's making a little bit too much bulkiness here. So what I would do in this situation is just go ahead and belt it. Now that I've belted, I think it gives a little bit more figure. What do you guys think? Do you prefer it with the belt or without the belt? I'm kind of on the fence. I'm not really sure. The belt definitely cinch me in, which is always good and gives me a little bit more figure, but I don't know if I like it belt. Or maybe it's this belt that I'm throwing me off. You know, I'm gonna try it with my clear belt and see if I prefer it. I want to also go ahead and accessorize it with my fedora, maybe the hat and the black belt. We're just playing around, guys. Like, I didn't plan these outfits. Okay, I think I prefer the black belt now that I have the black hat. If I'm not wearing the hat, then I'll go for the clear. So I definitely prefer the black belt with the black hat. I think it just balances a little bit more. I'll just stick to the black accessories and just reach for my little Chanel dupe bag.
Been thinking about you all night.
So this is how I dress this outfit, guys. Fully accessorized and everything. I know I have a lot going on, but I think for this it works, you know. If this is not your style, then it's perfectly fine. I have another option that I'm going to show you guys. Maybe you'll like that one more than this one. So this is the other option I was telling you guys. Instead of wearing the t-shirt on the inside, you can pull it out and wear it on the outside.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right.
You can roll up the sleeve as much as you want or as less as you want. It just all depends on the style you're going for. You can leave the t-shirt hanging. So if you don't want to wear it down, all you have to do is just go ahead and knot the shirt and tie it up and you can wear this like a crop top, so you have a longer skirt, or you can pull it down and have just a shorter skirt. You can always tuck the knot under and just, you know, play with it and see what feels good to you. Shirt is from Uniqlo, and the hat is from Urban Outfitters, and the shoes from DSW, and the bag is from Bag Inc. So that's another option. Maybe a lot of people may like this option a little bit more, or you can just go ahead, throw a blazer on top, and you're all set. Pretty classic, pretty simple. Zara, AliExpress, and DSW. Not much effort at all. Just throw on, and we're done. And of course, you can just always leave your slip dress as it is. This is the next outfit, guys. This can either go really casual or really dressed up. If you want to go really dressed up, then just swap out the jeans pants for some black trousers. Go with a black stiletto heel. If you want to take it all the way casual, then you just change out the necklace and maybe go for a flip-flop. I just decided to keep it semi-casual, so that's why I'm playing with everything right here. The jeans are from American Eagle. The shoes, I'm not really sure, it was a gift. And then the jewelry is from AliExpress. So this is how I dress this outfit, and then I could go either way for bags. I could either take my 26 pouch, or I could just go with this little pearl bag right here, just depending on where I'm going. You can also just pull this all the way out, and this could be a look as well. You can also go ahead and pull it all the way up and just tuck it in, and it would just be a top. Just gotta play with it and see what works best for you, but there's just so many options that you could do. I would still just go with this bag.
You there, can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
This is another way that you can dress down this outfit. Just throw on your fedora hat, keep your same sneakers and the same bag, and this would be a nice little summer outfit as well. So the last and final option would be just to go ahead, throw on some sneakers, get a black jacket, and just throw over there, just kind of bunch up the sleeves, and we have another simple casual outfit. Again, I would go for this bag here because I just think it's the perfect bag with the sneakers, just to push under your arms and you don't have to think about anything else, and you're all set to go.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind?
Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead, thumbs up the video, share it with your friends and family, and if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, hit the red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That's just mean as soon as I post, you're the first to know. Stay safe, guys.